Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Fever account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS device or Play Store on your Android device. And finally, once you've done that, on the search bar, you want to simply go ahead and search for Fever. And now make sure that you have downloaded and installed this application onto your device. Simply once you've done that, go ahead and tap on open and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you can sign in with multiple options. So as you can see, there is sign in with Apple, sign in with your email, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, and many more. So all you need to do is just select anyone that you want to. For example, signing in with your email, go ahead and enter your email and then go ahead and enter the password that you have. And that is about it. You're going to be logged in into your account, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.